People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I guess you can think of this video as a warning because I know how Jamaican people stay, right? Every time something wrong with a Jamaican, the first thing everybody ball out, I guess, yeah man, I guess about me. No matter what's wrong, everything, every pain, every ailment, people put it down to gas. And nobody will get it checked out. And then them find out something serious, and then by then it's too late. People, if you start feeling a sudden pain and anything like that, any kind of serious flu feel like it's coming on, nobody talk about it, I guess. Go check it out. Because there's something new and menacing on the horizon. Because over there in China, a brand new virus has surfaced. Oh yes, a brand new virus. And they're claiming this one originated from infected animals. Where have we heard that story before? It originated in animals, somehow found its way in humans, and then became an epidemic. Yeah, that story sounds very familiar. Now people, so far, over there in China, there has been 300 cases, right, of people who have been infected, right, and so far 6 people drop out. Now, some people might be wondering, okay, well, Sir P, that we are China. Well, first of all, we now live in a world that is dealing with globalization. Nowhere near far again. The days when you live on one side of the world and think you're immune to what's happening on the other side, those days are over. And especially because Jamaica has a very large Chinese population. And then to make things worse, after this virus started popping up in other Asian countries like Japan and Taiwan, guess where they've now found the newest victim? The United States of America, right? It found its way all the way from China to America. Now, as you know, if America sneezes, Jamaica catch flu, right? And not even that. There are so many Chinese in Jamaica, right? People, let me tell you why my antennas are going off with this one. This new virus could not have popped up at a worse time, right? Or a better time, depending on whoever is going to benefit from it, right? People, January the 25th, right? That's coming up, that will be this Saturday. It's going to be Chinese New Year. Now, that means that Chinese people from all over the world start to flood back to China. Just like how people, Jamaicans who live abroad, Christmas time, enough of them come back to Jamaica, come spend time with them family and enjoy the festivities. It's the same thing for the Chinese. So January 25th, people from all over the world, Chinese from all over the world, Africa, Jamaica, Bahamas, wherever, I'll go back home. So now when they're going home, this virus is going to be waiting for them down there. Right? So they're going to go back home, pick up what them to pick up, catch what them to catch, and then come right back to Jamaica, come back into them wholesale. Come right back to Jamaica, come do them construction of them site building. Now you see why Jamaicans can't turn a blind eye to this thing. So if you want to be foolish and say, yo, that now have nothing to do with me, I'm not Sir P tell me this for. Fine. Go on, right? And if you feel any sudden pain and all of a sudden something wrong with you and you want to say, oh, I guess, hey, it's your health. It's up to you, right? But I'm just making people know, say, this thing sounds serious. And remember, the last time something like this happened and originated in China, if you remember, that was the dreaded and terrifying SARS disease, or the SARS virus. And when that one first came out, the Chinese government downplayed how serious it was. They told people, listen, nothing wrong, man, a small thing, this man, a minor thing. When hundreds of people already start drop out. Right, this was in the early 2000s. Alright, and people, it's not like say, there is no Freedom of Information Act in China. Right? It's not no, you can't go to no courts and get them to, yeah, we the people want to hear it. People, the government control news. So, the real figure, this 300 figure might be 3,000, who knows, right? Because the last thing they would want is to scare people off from coming back to China for Chinese New Year. So as me say, people, if it reach America, it can reach Jamaica, right? And enough people I will start going back home. So people, keep an eye out on yourself, keeping an eye out on your pitney, right? Nobody just dismiss nothing as no, oh, I'm just drink some Sur City and I eat that. You already know me. I'm already thinking this is some kind of bigger plan, because as we know, China has a huge overpopulation problem. So I don't know, out of nowhere, virus just pop up out of nowhere, out of animals again. And you know them love blame animals, right? And all of a sudden we have a brand new virus on the scene. Nobody know about it. Man a struggle how to find, how to figure it out, how to so-called cure it, right? So make you see how this one play out. But just stay up on the guard, right? Keep on the third eye open, and know say the thing serious, people, right? This is Patreon Squad. Big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video, right? Make sure so people hear about this one, because it can be the difference between life and death. And don't make me cause of ignorance. People them are murderers, right? And something broke out in Jamaica we can't fix, because trust me, if something like this get you in Jamaica, do not think for a second say the Ministry of Health can help you. If you think say the Ministry of Health, we can barely deal with the issues that we have now, can deal with something like this. People, now our next thing coming. Big up on yourself.